If your brain won't shut up, give me 4 minutes and I will teach you about the mental off switch you didn't know you had. I once spent a whole weekend obsessing over a 5-word text. I missed dinner plans, sleep, even a sunny afternoon because I was trapped in my own head. That's what overthinking does. It hijacks your joy, your time, your life. But here's the truth. You can learn to break the loop, and the first step to breaking that loop is to understand exactly what you're up against. Overthinking shows up in 4 main ways. Rumination. This is when you're stuck in the past. It's like being a detective in a case that's already closed, replaying a conversation from yesterday over and over, searching for clues you might have missed. Worry. This is being anxious about the future. Your brain acts like a fortune teller that only ever predicts rain, getting lost in what-if scenarios about problems that haven't even happened. Analysis paralysis. This is when you can't choose, so you freeze. It's like having so many tabs open in your brain about which choice is perfect that the whole system crashes. Intrusive meandering. These are the random what-ifs with no off switch. It's when your mind is just walking along and suddenly trips into a scary thought for no reason, even when you know it's not logical. Spot yourself in any of these? Good, because no matter which one gets you, the mechanism inside your brain is surprisingly similar. Your brain has an alarm bell, designed to protect you, but sometimes it rings for no reason. Then your stress chemicals hit replay, and suddenly your thoughts feel urgent, even if they aren't. It's like your mind's stuck on a hamster wheel. But we're about to hit the brakes, so how do we do that? Here are 3 powerful techniques you can use the moment you feel that spin start. The 4-7-8 breath. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. That slow exhale is the most important part. It flips a switch on your nervous system, telling your body it's safe to go from stressed to calm. Cold water splash. Splash your face with cool water. This triggers an ancient instinct called the dive reflex. Your body responds instantly. Your heart rate slows down to save oxygen, and your mind resets. Grounding technique. Say 3 things you see, 3 things you hear, 3 things you feel. Example, I see a book, I hear a clock, I feel the chair. Your brain can't be lost in a thought storm while it's also busy noticing the real world. Boom, you're out of the storm and back in the room. I once used this mid-panic attack in a public bathroom. 3 sights, 3 sounds, 3 sensations, and it worked like magic. Think of these as your mental emergency brakes. They are great for quick relief, but for lasting change, journaling is your secret weapon. In one study, people who journaled for 15 minutes a day reported 40% lower anxiety in just a week. Here's how you can do it too. Write non-stop for 5 minutes. Dump everything in your mind. Draw a line. Label one side, can control, the other, can't control. Cross out the can't column. Let those go. Pick one can item. Ask, what's one tiny action I can take today? Why this works. It moves you from a passive worrier to an active problem solver, rewiring your brain's response to stress over time. It's a powerful practice, and you have everything you need to start. You can absolutely do this in any blank notebook. But if you want help turning this into a consistent, daily habit, I've created a guided journal with prompts built around this exact process. It's designed to train your brain for calm clarity. Links in the description. But whether you use a guided journal or a simple notebook, the most important thing to remember is this: your thoughts don't control you. You just need tools to quiet the noise. Start with one small step today. Which trick are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped, give it a like so it reaches someone else who needs it.